83 of our 88 counties now have a high incidence of COVID-19 spread. That includes all of the Miami Valley. That covers 99% of our state's population, now roughly 11.5 million Ohioans. And this is a look at the latest advisory map. As you see, 43 counties now reside in the red, including Montgomery, Greene, and Clark counties. If there's any silver lining at all, the number of counties threatening level 4 is now back to 0. That list included Clark County, of course, earlier in the week. It's also where we find 2 News reporter Caroline Morris tonight, who spoke with the Clark County Health District about the progress they're making against this pandemic.
Well, Clark County was taken off the watch list and is no longer considering approaching a level 4 status. However, after I talked with the health department, they say that we're not out of the woods quite yet.
Not going to purple is good news. The rest of the news for our local stats is certainly not good at all.
In the past 7 days, the health department says they've had 217 new cases, breaking a new record in weekly cases recorded. Now, there have also been 40 deaths in October, which is double the amount of any other month recorded. The health department says the decision to not proceed to purple level 4 could have to do with a lag in the data.
I think there must be a lag in the data, and I think the governor has said that multiple times. It would certainly not be surprising to us here in Clark County on the ground if next week or the week after that we return to watch status and that we were back in the same position again. Our local data certainly supports the fact that it's never been worse on our citizens than it is right now.
Springfield residents voice their frustration over the CDC guidelines, but say the only way to decrease the spread is to abide by regulations.
This whole pandemic has lasted 200 days longer than what we ever expected or what we were told in the beginning. And it's really easy to have the mindset of enough is enough, but it's still a very serious ongoing situation that is continuing to get worse. So we have to keep it in mind and be serious about it.
The health department says there won't be any new rules or regulations set for Clark County, but they're urging everyone not to ease up on current guidelines.
Because what we've done so far has not quite been enough to keep this at bay. If you haven't been wearing a mask, now's the time to do it, because we're certainly coming on a time where things could get much, much worse, and we don't want to see that happen.
Over the next 2 weeks, over 190,000 masks will be delivered all throughout Clark County. If you are in need and need to find the distribution sites, visit our website, WDTN.com, and click on As Seen on 2 News. Live in Springfield, I'm Caroline Morse, 2 News, working for you.